Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Klassy Traders. So in today's video we are going to discuss the stocks related to the intraday, that is for the Monday session, that is on 28th of March 2022. Now if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and also watch all the videos which we have posted earlier for the short term and long term as well, and also we also post the videos related to the intraday as well. And yesterday I have made a video on Tata Motors. So what actually this stock is doing, because many people were having different opinions on this stock, so I have made a separate video on the Tata Motors. So please go and watch that video if you are holding, and if you want to make a position in Tata Motors, definitely that video can help. So moving on to our topic, that is stocks for intraday. Before that, I have also given the recap. I have also given the stocks. So we'll be doing the recap, that is for Friday session. I have suggested some of the stocks on Thursday. So first we'll be doing the recap on that particular, and then we'll be moving on to the stocks for Monday session. So the first stock which we have suggested for the Friday session was Jindal Steel. So let's have a recap for this, whether the target has hit or not. So if you can see, I have given the buy for this stock above 527 levels. Let me take you to the smaller time frame. Yeah, if you can see, this line is the same. The line is still there. I have not deleted it. So I have given the buy. On the stock above 527 levels, and the target was around 532 and 535, which the stock has achieved. So this was a good one. And another stock which I have given was Tata Chemicals. Tata Chemicals, I have given the buy above 975 levels. That is exactly about this breakout. Above 975 level for the target of 985, and the stock has exactly achieved the 985.5. So our first target was achieved. So this stock was also successful on the intraday session of Friday. And the last stock which I have suggested for the Friday session was Mindtree Limited. This stock has actually opened a little bit gap up, and after that it went into the consolidation. It has not touched it has not gone above the buying level which I have provided you, and not the stop loss level as well. So it was consolidating into the smaller range. So this was the recap related to the stock which I have suggested for Friday's intraday. Now we'll look into the stock for the Monday session. So the first stock is CONCOR, that is Container Corporation of India. This stock has actually shown a very big move on the Friday session. Let me take you to the Monday chart. Yeah, if you can see, the stock has given a very big rally on the Monday session, and there was a huge volume. So thinking that this stock might continue its journey, because there was a huge volume, and I think investors are very interested in this particular stock. Now the stock is exactly at the breakout level. If you could see, this was the resistance level for this particular stock, and it actually tried to break out that and also break, but closed below that line. Now let us check into the smaller time frame for the values where we can place the trade on the Monday session. Now if you could see, there is a little bit support here. Yeah, so this is the support for the stock, and 700 is the resistance. Now we'll buy this stock when the stock crosses 700 with the stop loss below 685 for the targets of 720 and 730. You need to be a bit careful, because the stock has given a very big rally, and there are the chances that the stock might open gap up as well. If the stock is opening gap up, then please ignore, we have lot other stocks as well. If the stock is opening gap up, then definitely it will try to cover the gap, and then it will reverse. So that will be actually a process, or we can say, if you are not professional to judge that particular stock, it is better to leave and go for the simpler things. So Container Corporation of India is my first suggestion for the Monday session. That is, we will buy above 700 with the stop loss below this line, that is below 684 for the targets of 720 and 730. Now the another stock which I have looked is Interglobe Aviation, that is INDIGO Airlines, or INDIGO also we can say. Let me take you to the daily time frame. Yeah, this stock is actually near its resistance. If you can see, there is a small resistance at this particular line. around 1940 or around 1950. Now let us check the levels where we can buy this stock. Now we will buy this stock above 1955. That was Friday's high. That is the Friday's high was around 1954. So we'll buy this stock when the stock breaks 1954 and the stop loss below 1930 for the targets of 1970 and 2000 levels. So keep this stock in also the watch list. The other stock which I have is SBICARD. SBICARD, right. So the stock has shown a good rise in the last session, that is in the last 30 minutes. Let us see in the daily chart how it is showing. So if you could see, the stock was into the downtrend. Now when the stock crosses in the next week, you can actually keep this stock for the next whole week. Now whenever the stock crosses this 900 level, the stock can boom up actually. Why? Because there are the people who have shorted from this position, and if you can see, the stock has never break its high, the previous high which it has created. So now when the stock breaks its previous high, all the short positions will be covered up here. The short position needs to be covered because there will be some stop losses around these levels. So that will be covering. So now on the intraday session, on Monday session, we will be buying this stock above 870 for the targets of 880 and 890 and the stop loss below 860. You can keep this stock for the whole week that is from Monday to Friday. You can keep this stock because whenever the stock breaks above 900, this might give you the very big profit on that particular day whenever the stock breaks above 900 level. So keep this in the watch list for the whole week. And the next and the last stock is Godrej Properties. I selected this stock. If you can see, the stock, this also has the same story like SBICARD. This stock has actually given the high of 2590 around 2600 levels, and from there the stock was into the downtrend and it actually stopped here. So if you can see, there is a little bit reversal here with the bullish engulfing at the bottom, and now the stock has reached at the resistance level. This was the resistance for this particular stock, that is around 1618 1620. Now we will buy this stock when it crosses the Friday session high. The Friday session high is 1635.5. we will buy this stock whenever the stock crosses 1636 and the stop loss below 1620 for the targets of 1650 and 1670. Now please note that the stock will be quite volatile comparatively with the other stocks, with the same price. So we'll buy this particular stock when it crosses above 1636 for the targets of 1650 and 1670 and the stop loss below 1620. So these 4 stocks was my suggestion: Container Corporation of India, INDIGO or Interglobe Aviation, SBICARD and the Godrej Properties. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. That's it for this video guys. See you guys in the next video.